Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today it's Sunday, December the so look on here, December the 11th or 12th, I think it is. It might be a little bit later, but yeah, it's definitely Sunday. As you can see here, everything's growing okay. And my verbascum, my dianthus there, verbascum, and I can't even pronounce that. Dianthus, some more verbascum, some gypsophilia, some agastache, some lavender, and some pansies. I don't know if you can see that there. I made a mistake a couple of weeks ago when I was watering. I had to put these in a tray of really strong feed. I don't know if you can see the green. It's turned really green on the top, which you can see there. That one hasn't, neither has that one, because them two were sown later. So what I'm going to do with these now, I've flushed them through with water, but I think the damage has already been done. I don't think I'm going to get any pansy seeds or any of these sunsets. So what I'm going to be doing is going to be potting on my verbascum and dianthus today. I'll show you how to do that. I'll just get these out and let's get down to the desk, the bench, not desk, bench. Here we go. Just set up this, sorry about this folks. Give me a second. You see it okay. Well, I get my little stool to stand up. Hope everybody's keeping well on a big day. Let's just try and balance this out, folks. Is that a little bit better? I think so. So yeah, I'm going to be pricking these out and putting these on. I'm using a peat-free compost with some organic material in there. First of all, let's just get some of these filled with compost. Right, so that's all these filled up now. That's it. It's a peat-free compost. Let me tap it down. All I'm going to be doing then is pricking these verbascum out and putting them on. You can use anything for these as long as it's reasonably wide. Just show you there. So you can see there, really nice root system, beautiful white roots. Once those are pricked out, just get the rest out. If you do have to hold them by the leaves, try to use the two little leaves there, not the true leaves, because they're what feed the plant. Let's get them put on the top there. That's got a really nice root system. Really nice. That should go really well. I think there's one or two more in there. Yeah, there we go. Even though they're tiny, waste not, want not. But I would have got a lot more seeds germinating out of here if I'd not saturated it with a really strong liquid feed, which is my mistake. I did not label the bottles correctly, which I have now done. So that shouldn't happen again, fingers crossed. Here's the last one, put that one on top there. So yeah, just put these out of the way. The name tag, get that in one of them. Once that's done like so, all you need to do then, make a big enough hole, and you want it the same level as it was in the compost. Not too shallow, not too deep. You don't want it to rot. Give it a little tap down when that's done. Even ones as tiny as these can be saved. Just be gentle with them. If it dies, it dies. But it's got a little root system on there, so that should be okay. Just a little bit behind the others. Like I said, I would normally leave these till they got a little bit bigger, but because of my mistake, I'm having to do it earlier. Yeah, that's nice. Give that a little tap down. So yeah, if you've got any questions on anything I'm growing, please don't hesitate to leave a message or a comment. I will get back to you as quickly as I can. There. Someone's saying about my greenhouse, it's a bunker in the ground. It is, it's my greenhouse. Let me just show you. It's got 3 or 4 solid walls there. It's got a perspex roof. Quick spin round. Windows all the way around there. Windows down there. and windows there, which are all blocked off at the moment. And it's dug into the ground because it helps with the energy bills, helps keep it warm in the winter and cool in the summer. So yeah, that's the reason it's dug into the ground. Get back to these now, these verbascum. Once all that's done, all we need to do then is spin it round. There we go, there's my little watering tray. All we need to do then is stick them in here, line them up. What I like to do. And then, just to increase the uptake of water, make it a little bit quicker, all I tend to do then is get my little watering bottle. Just a little sprinkle on top. Like so. Leave them 20 minutes, half an hour. It'll be totally nice and damp and wet. And then all that I will do then is put them up here with some more of my plants and flowers. There's some pentamens up there. So once that's done, that's how to pot on my verbascum. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.